Bose. Navigation. 4-wheel drive. Great color combination. Please contact Chris Hall, Internet Sales Manager, or visit www.fiatstrongsville.com. FIAT of Strongsville is pleased to present another stunning white Chevy Avalanche. Older Avalanches are hard to find. Typically, people who own them don't want to get rid of them. This one is in great shape and it's a steal at this price. Highlights include aftermarket navigation, Bose premium sound system, power seat, and power doors, locks, windows. Please call or text my direct line 24/7 for availability and details. 216-224-0303.